Hey there, William Brown here. This is for my CPMT 2445 class, Project 4, Windows bootable device. I went ahead and chose Linux Nobara for this Linux bootable device. The first thing you need to do is go to this site, nobaraproject.org. There'll be a link here. You click on it to download. The version I'm going to get is the official for NVIDIA drivers, because this laptop here has a NVIDIA graphics card. You're just going to click here. It's going to pop up a little link right here. You'll download the ISO. Once you do that, you'll see it over here in your downloads. You can see here, I have it right here, Nobara 43 official NVIDIA 2026. Next thing, they recommend using Ventoy, so I went ahead and just did Ventoy for this one. You'll go over here, you'll go to ventoy.net, click downloads, and of course this is a Windows computer, so you're going to hit the Windows zip. You'll download it and you'll have it right here. You'll want to unzip this folder, because if you don't, this app here to install Ventoy doesn't pop up. So all you would do is double click that. I'll just go ahead and go through the little process of it and close this down. Select the USB stick that you have. There's mine, so it shows up right there. And then you'll just hit install, and they'll basically install Ventoy onto that USB stick. So you can see here, here's already my USB stick, Ventoy. You'll just want to drag and drop your ISO into this folder here, and that'll be it. It'll be able to boot. So let's restart this laptop. And for this one, I already tried it out. I'm actually going to have to go into the BIOS and turn off secure boot for this one. So let's see it restart. It takes a little while. I'm actually going to just install the Linux version on here. I kind of want to try it out completely, and I can always just reimage this laptop back to Windows and add all the bloatware that Asus gives along with you. So on this laptop, we're going to go to Advanced, and then we'll want to go here to Security, Secure Boots, and we're going to want to disable that. So it's disabled. F10 to save. Where's F10? There it is. Save and exit, and then we're going to hit escape. And escape will get us into our Windows bootloader. As you can see here, there's my USB. Select it. There you go. Ventoy popped up. There's Nobara ISO right here. We're just going to hit enter, and we're going to boot into normal mode. We're going to put start Nobara 43. Just give it a couple seconds, and it'll boot up into here. The first thing it does is kind of boot up into the installation window, so I can kind of go through the process of how to install it if you do want to wipe your hard drive and install it, or if you already have your hard drive partitioned, you can add it to a blank partition to it. And I don't think this one even takes that much. I think all you need is like 50 gigabytes free to install the whole operating system and everything to it. So let's give it a second. I can see it's thinking. This did take a while when I first did it, so I can hear it in the background. I already made the noise. There's our cursor, so that's good. And there you go, Nobara. A second, this is the installer. There we go, Nobara. Here you'll just hit next, choose your region. I'll just leave it at New York for now. Choose your keyboard, US default, and then click next. Here you'll just fill out this. I think you just need to type in something. Let's put Will. Your name you want to use to log in. Name your PC. Create a password. Add a root password if you want. Just go over here. I'll just leave it blank for now. Next. So what I was talking about. You can replace a partition, erase the disk, or manually partition, which you can create your own partition here, I believe. I didn't actually click on that one. But what I was going to do, I was going to wipe it. We're going to do a no swap, and we're going to do an extension 4 type of hard drive. So that would wipe this whole hard drive and install Linux for you. You just hit next. It's going to give you a brief summary of what all you chose, and then of course you'll install, and then it'll finish and it'll reboot. But what we'll do right now is, let's see, I think it was this one. There you go. Minimize it, and this is Linux Nobara here. Let me show you that it works. Go and connect to my Wi-Fi. Where'd it go? There it is, connect. Let me type in that password. Oh, I think I forgot my password. What was it? I don't remember my password, but I mean, this is how Nobara is gonna look. Applications, games, internet, system settings. It gives you Brave browser. I don't think it has the NVIDIA software just installed just yet, but, or maybe it does, but I mean, you can download the app to update it and everything, so that way you can get playing on some games. Yeah, that is Linux Nobara, primarily set for gaming. All right, thank you.